Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a cover button, and our cover button is so versatile that if you're a fashion designer you can use it to make dresses. If you can also use it to make accessories like necklace, like I'm doing right here. You can use to make earrings and all of that. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time in this channel. Thank you. So the tools you need is you need your cover button, of course. With this, then you need your fabric pieces, then you also need some pieces of stay. Now this is not compulsory, it's just to give it some bit of body. Then you need your cover button dies. Now the cover button I'm working with is the number is usually on it. Yes, can you see? This is size 44. So this is size 44, you can see, for the cover. So it comes in different sizes. There's size 36, size 30, 24, and thereabout. And then for the dies, sometimes usually come in 45. So 45 can also work for 44, so it's the same. So okay, this does not have, but you just tell them you want cover button dies of size 44. So usually have these with the cover. Okay. So this is 36, so this is a smaller one. Can you see? So for 36 you see that on the number for here 36 will be written on it. So what you want to do now is, I'm not sure you'll be able to see what I'm doing, but I'll try and tilt it so you can see. So I just want to put something, so you'll be needing, of course, this your eyelet plier or whatever name it is. So you just want to put something flat, either a magnet or something. So just put it here. And this is just what I'm putting, just to give it that elevated shape. So this is the dice. So you want to pick your fabric now with the stay, and then pick this first, cover it like this, and push it inside. So you can see that this place is, there's a place that moves up and down here. So that's not the place I'm fixing it in. I'm fixing it here, down like this. So as it has been pushed down, you want to use your hand to push it in like this, and then pick the cover and cover. So be sure it is. So once you cover it, go ahead with your dice button. Now you're going to flip it in. So this part that moves, is the part you flip all. So you just put it under here and press. So you're going to hear that palm sound. Okay. So let me do another one. Under, and then you want to press this hand. So once you hear that palm sound, just know that it has clipped, and then you remove you unravel it. That's it. Your cover button is all done.